including over 2,200 species of fish, 1,300 species of birds, 427 species of mammals, 430 species of amphibians, and 380 species of reptiles. Beyond its towering trees and iconic animals, the Amazon is a gold mine of microorganisms, with millions of bacteria and fungi playing vital roles in nutrient cycling and breaking down organic matter. This extraordinary diversity highlights the adaptability and resilience of life in one of the planet's most challenging, yet resource-abundant environments. The underground environment of the Amazon rainforest is composed of a nutrient-rich layer of humus, where decomposition occurs rapidly due to the humid tropical climate.